Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 3E revenue. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. If you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all assignments project, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I am handling many student courses on MATLAB Pearson, Engagement Tab, MC Royal Seminat, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is Excel 3E revenue. Under this project description to get idea about your project. So moving on question number 1. Question number 1 is that open the Excel workbook student Excel 3E revenue XLS. Download it with this project. Basically this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IDLab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. I am going to opening my Excel workbook. This is my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. So moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that in cell D5, construct a formula to calculate the percentage of the total projected revenue from taxes by dividing the projected revenue for next fiscal year for leases by the total projected revenue for the next fiscal year. Okay, you can read this. Use absolute set reference as necessary for made the result in percent style and center the percentage. Fill the formula down through cell D9. Okay. Formula is given in this hint. You can see in this question formula is given. In cell D5 press enter is equal to C5 divided by C10. Okay. And absolute cell reference is enter dollar sign. Press F4. Okay. Go to cell D5 first. Press is equal to enter this formula C5 divided by C10. C10 is absolute reference enter dollar sign. Okay, press F4 for dollar sign. So we will press enter. It will be show percentage of total projected revenue in cell D5. Okay. So moving on next point. Okay. Use fill handle to the range D9. So moving on question number 3, I have done this question. Moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that select the non-adjacent range A5 to A9 and C5 to C9 as the data for a pie chart. And then insert a 3D pie chart. Move the chart to a new sheet named projected revenue chart. Okay. Basically this question we will select the non-adjacent range. First range is A5 to A9. Go to our Excel workbook. We will select this range. Press Ctrl and then select second range is C5 to C9. Okay, both ranges are selected right now. Go to the insert tab in the charts group. Click on chart launcher box. Go to the all charts. Go to the pie chart. We will click on OK button. And then insert a 3D pie chart. Go to the charts and we will go to the pie and we will insert a 3D pie chart. Click on 3D pie chart. Click on OK button. Okay, I have inserted a 3D pie chart. So move the chart to a new sheet projected revenue chart. We will move this chart on new sheet. Go to the chart design tab in the location group. Click on move chart button. Okay. Chart will be moved on a new sheet. You can see we will click on new sheet checkbox and the new sheet name is projected revenue chart. Click on OK button. So our chart is moved on new sheet. So moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that as the chart title for the chart title element type project revenue format the chart title with the word art style in the first row, click the second style, change the font size to 32. Okay, basically in this question we will have to add the chart title. Click on the chart title. Chart title is projected revenue. Click on chart title. We will remove this and then we will type here projected revenue for this chart title. Okay. Format the chart title with the word art style in the first row. Click second style. First row and second style. Go to the, we will select this chart title and go to the word art style. First row, second style. Go to the format tab in the word art style group. First row and second style. Okay. Change the font size to 32. We will go to the home tab in the font group. Click on font size button. We will select 32 font size for this chart. So moving on question number 5. I have done 4 questions so far. Question number 5 is that remove the legend chart element and then add the data labels. Chart element formatted so that only the category name and percentage display. Position in the center. Okay. Format the data label with a font style of bold and font size of 14. The format the data labels, be sure they are selected. Basically in this question, first we will remove the legend chart element. Go to the chart, click on chart element button, go to the legend and click on this. Okay, you can see this checkbox. We will uncheck the legend box. Legend will be removed and then add the data labels chart element formatted so that only the category name and percentage display position in the center. Go to the chart, go to the chart element, go to the data labels and click on more option. First we will click on center. Okay, data label in the center, so we will go to the more option. We will click on category check name checkbox and percentage. Category name checkbox and percentage, remove the value from the chart. So format the data label and so first we will remove this. Okay, close this chart element panes. 1 second. Okay, the font size of uh, data label 2, we will apply bold in the home tab in the font group. First we will apply bold and then font size is 14 of data labels. Okay, the format to label show they are selected. You can see I have done 5 questions. Moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that format the data series using a 3D format effect. Change the top bevel and bottom bevel to the first bevel in the first row. Set the top bevel width and height to 350 point and then set the bottom level width and height to 0 point. Change the material under standard. Click the last material method. You can read this question first, then I will apply on my Excel workbook. Right click on this, click on format data series. So go to the 3D format. Okay, format the data series using a 3D format effect. I have done this point. So change the top bevel and bottom bevel to the first bevel in the first row. Okay, change the first bevel in the first row. Top bevel. We will click on top bevel button. We will select first bevel. Go to the bottom bevel button. Click on select first bevel. So set the top bevel width and height to 350 point. We will go to the top bevel width 350 points. Okay, high width and height both are 350 point. Okay, so and set the bottom bevel width and height to 0 point. So we'll set the bottom bevel width and height to 0 point. Both are 0 point. Okay. And the next is that change the material under standard. Click the last material metal. Go to the material and we will okay, but change the material under standard. Click the last material metal. Okay, last material metal under standard. Okay, this is good now. So moving on question number 7. I have done 6 question of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 7. Display the series option and then set the angle of first slice to 115 so that the taxes slice is at the top of pie. First option, first point of this question. One second. Okay, first slide we will change the angle of first slide to 15 point. Display the series option and then set the angle of the first slice to 115. First we will display the series option. So change the angle of first slice to 115. Okay, 115. Okay. So that slice is as the top of the pie. I have done 7 questions so far. Moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that select the taxes slice and then explode the slice 10%. Change the fill color of the taxes slice to a gradient fill in the fourth column. Click the fourth gradient. First point of this question is that select the taxes slice and then explode the slice 10%. We will select our taxes slice first. Taxes slice. Double click on taxes slice and then we will explode the slice to 10%. Okay. So change the fill color of the taxes slice to gradient fill in the fourth column. Click fourth gradient. Go to the color, go to the fill color. Click on fill button and go to the gradient. First we will select our taxes slice. So we will go to the fill color, go to the gradient color and then we will select 4 gradient. Okay, we will select fourth gradient. Okay, this is so good. So moving on, question number 9. I have done 8 questions of this assignment so far in my video. Really sorry. Okay, this is the light gradient. I said 4. This is the 4 gradient. Okay, we will select fourth gradient. Okay, moving on, question number 9. Okay, format the chart area by applying a gradient fill using the preset gradient in the fifth column. Click the first gradient, style, format the border of the chart area by applying a solid line border in the second to a last column. Click the first color, change the width to 3 point, close any panes that are open on the right. The first point of this question is that format the chart area by applying gradient fill using the preset gradient in the fifth column. Right click on this, click on chart area and then apply gradient fill. Go to the fill color, click on gradient fill and then go to gradient fifth column. Okay, using the preset gradient in the fifth column. Preset gradient in the fifth column. Okay, so format the border of the chart area is solid. Go to the border, solid line. Okay, border of the chart area by applying solid line border in the second to last column. Click the first color, change the width to 3 point. Okay, color is the, click the first color. Okay, change the width to 3 point. So we will change the width to 3 point. Close any taskpan that are open. Okay, you can see I have done 60 to 70% of assignment in my video. For remaining question and if you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. I am handling many student courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MCGraw, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. If you want to do this assignment from me and if you want to do this complete course from me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.